Be strong.
Hello everyone and welcome to Crackies, and in this video we are going to learn exercise 9.1 question number 1 A part. So let's start. So in this question we have that identify the terms, their coefficients for each of the following expression. So in this question we simply need to find the coefficients. So coefficients are like we are having a number 2x plus 3x. So this is not a number, this is an expression. So in an expression there are terms, and in every term there is a variable. So the number which comes before a variable, like this number and this number, and this is a variable, so that number is known as the coefficient. So we need to write here the coefficient of 5xyz square minus 3zy. So in this zy is our variable, then 3 is our coefficient because it is coming before the variable, and here we are having xyz square, so this is our variable, then this is our coefficient because this is coming before a variable. So we will simply write here 5 and 3 are the coefficients for 5x y z square minus 3zy. So that's all for this first part, and now let's come to the second part. So in this part we got three terms. So this is 1 plus x plus x. So now you are thinking that there is no number before variable. So what will be its coefficient? So this is not gonna be its coefficient. Many of you are thinking that this is the coefficient. So this is not the coefficient. So we are having x plus x square. So we will be finding the coefficients from these two. So the coefficient for x is 1 because the x represents the value of 1. So x is representing the value of 1, so x is equals to 1. So the coefficient for this is x is 1. Then the coefficient for x square is again the same concept will apply on this also. So x square is equals to 1. So again 1. So that's all in this part. Now come to the next. So in third part we got again three terms which are 4x square yz square and z square and 4x square y square. So we will write the terms here. So 4x square y square minus 4x square y square z square, then plus z square. So the concept we applied here in the x and x square we will apply here. So we will get 1 and 4 because xyz square is the variable and 4 is coming as a coefficient before it. So we got 1 4. Then the same concept of this applies here, and we got again 4. But this 4 is not of plus. This is a negative 4 because here is the minus sign comes. So we will write and minus 4. So let's fill the answers. So the answers of this part is 4 and minus 4 and 1. So that's all for this part. Meet you in the next part. Now comes the fourth part. So let's start. So again we got 4 terms. So the concept we applied right here, here and here will apply here, here and here. So after applying this concept, we will be getting 1 and 1 and minus 1. Actually 2 minus 1 and 1 positive 1, because here are minus signs coming before the variables, these two variables, and this is a variable which is in positive number. So that's all for this part. Meet you in the here comes the fifth part. So let's start. So in this, again we got a variable which is not having any coefficient ahead of it. So again we will give it 1, and for this x we will be getting 1 because x is singular and we got only x, so it is 1. So here it will come 1 upon 2 plus, so here y is also the same concept as the x upon 2. So 1 upon 2 again comes here, and that's all for this part. Meet you in the next part. Now let's come to the sixth part. So in the sixth part is the simplest part as part 1. So we will just write the coefficients which are coming before the variable, as here before a we are getting 0.3, then before ab we are getting 0.6, and here we are getting 0.5. So this was the last part of this question, and also the last and this was the last part of this question, and the question finishes here. So meet you in the next question.